Greetings, Mac enjoyers, and welcome to day 4 of the Racer Cinema Productions PowerPC week. And this is the 4th day in the row without the M1. As you can see, the video is still loading. Yeah, it's still processing. This is to be expected due to its processor speed and due to what kind of processor it has, but I did downscale the footage so it could run better on a PowerPC Mac. But even so, it still takes a while, since it is a rather long video. But anyways, I did leave this computer running all night, and it's still going. Yeah, it's amazing that it's never broken at all. Yeah, never underestimate the power of the PowerPC processor. And yeah, this is pretty much the entry into my daily log in a nutshell. A continuation of the previous day. It's still going. It's still going. So yeah, not much to show here. But after this, I'll pretty much do some gaming. Because of course, even this computer deserves a break from work. Yeah, I'll do some gaming and some artwork, if I can. Well, it looks like a returning character appears yet again, because I'm going to use this computer as a temporary solution until I can get internet access back on the PowerBook G4 itself. So yeah, this computer was used in last year's Mac Yak PowerPC challenge, but it plays a much smaller role here. And yes, I got Discord Lite working on it. Even an iMac G5 can go on Discord. It's all thanks to DOSDude1. Yeah. I'm gonna show you some messages that I wrote down. Yeah, the top icon, of course, will get me demonetized, so I'm not showing it. Okay, let's... Only going to show the right side. Okay, so let's talk to one of my friends. Okay, try to do this with one hand. Alrighty, so yeah, just posted a message. And it actually works. Yeah. The PowerBook G4 is still loading its video. So this computer will take the place of the internet machine until I can get internet access back on the PowerBook G4. So not much has happened in day 4, so might as well end it here. But stay tuned for tomorrow because I do have some less intense plans for the PowerBook G4. But for now, it's time to close off. Catch you guys next time and peace out. Smaller channels are at risk, and every subscriber means a lot to them. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest Racer Cinema Productions videos. And together, we can help drive the YouTube algorithm away from this channel, so that I don't succumb to the fate of other smaller channels getting defeated by the viewer-based algorithm.